Hello everyone, this is Alberto Corona with RayNetworks.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to send a new encrypted email via Trustifi on Office 365. So in order to do that, we're going to go to New Email, and then from here we're going to go ahead and put who this is for. We're going to send it to myself, and then we're going to click on the Trustifi part. And then from here we can go ahead and hit encrypt message content. We can also make sure that they are required to authenticate. And then we can also go ahead and show the advanced features. So one of the way that they can verify this is through phone, and then you can go ahead and also change it. They can do an email or a password. So we're actually just going to go ahead and do a password. And the password is just going to be something random, but it is going to be something that you have disclosed to the person so they know to use this password. And then we're going to go ahead and hit apply. We're also going to show that you can also add a file to this as well, which will be encrypted. So now that that's ready, we're just going to set test, and then we're going to verify that I'm right here. We can also edit the contact or remove them if we'd like. We're just going to go ahead and hit send. And then any minute now we should be getting the email. Oh, there we go. Here's the email that we got. It shows the subject line, and then it shows us that it wants us to authenticate and decrypt the message. And then we also get another email saying that the email was successfully sent. And then we can also have it not have us be alert every time we send an email. This is a good way to verify that the email that you are sending is being sent and is encrypted. But if you don't really want to be bothered by these because they can be spamful, then we can just click here and then stop being alerted. But we're just going to go back here, and then we're going to click here. It's going to want us to put in the password, and then now that we put in the password, we're going to see that here's our message, and then any attachments would be included, and then we can also choose to reply if we'd like. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching. We hope that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.